what are the chances? What are the chances at times to find these jobs?
It's normally all right because obviously we've been trading 6 years.
Okay.
You know, we've got a customer base already. And obviously word of mouth is amazing in this trade. It's the biggest thing. Word of mouth reviews are starting to come on with it, but a lot of the review stuff now, I think you can't get a better review than word of mouth. Whether they've wrote it on Google, whether they've put it on Trustpilot, whether they've put it on any other social media platform, I still think the biggest recommendation you get is someone going, oh, I know someone that can come and do that, regardless of whether it's a car, painting and decorating, you know, every trade, I think word of mouth is the biggest.
Yes, because it's when someone actually tells you about your services to another person, that person trusts it more than just reading it online.
Exactly. Because I think a lot of the online stuff, it's so easy to get negative reviews online.
Yes.
Because people want to vent, you know, and the only person they can vent it to is online.
Yeah.
Is type it, because then the world can see it.
Yes.
It cannot be changed. It cannot be altered. Hidden to a point where you get so many positives put over the top. But from my point of view, I go out for a meal, I have an expectation.
Yes.
If they meet that expectation, I'm not going to go home and go, oh, I'll write a review about that. That was all right. You know, that was quite nice. It was what I expected. If the service is shocking, you know, and food took 45 minutes to an hour to come out, they were disinterested, yeah, I'd say something there.
Yes.
But I'd also go home and go, really poor service.
It's better you address it there. You tell them, this is, I didn't like that. That's you being
but for, you know, for something that's exceptional over, you know, and gone really above and beyond, then yeah, I'd probably write about that as well. But if it's just what I expected, you don't tend to write about it.
Oh, okay.
And obviously standards for people are so high, regardless of whatever you're doing. Mm-hmm. You know, if they get someone to come around, do whatever job they're doing, whatever they want to do, whether it's lay a floor, fix the car, I expected them to do that on the service. They did it. That's fantastic. They stamped my book. They turned my service light off. You know, they didn't leave dirty marks anywhere. It's what I expected. They'll give you a thank you on the door.
Thank you, yes.
They may message you a couple of days later going, thank you, really appreciate it. But then you have to push them to leave the review online.
Yes.
And sometimes they still won't do it. Because it's like, well, it's what I expect.
Yeah.
It's what everyone should expect. It's harder. So I think word of mouth is the best recommendation.
It is. And it goes a long way.